and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear the friends. Today's video is question number 2.65 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. The unpaired electrons in aluminum and silica are present in 3p orbital. Which electrons will experience a more effective nuclear charge from the nucleus? So friends, first of all, understand what is effective nuclear charge. The effective nuclear charge is the force of attraction which is exerted by the nucleus on the electrons, and it attracts the electron towards the nucleus. This is called effective nuclear charge. Now, we knew that effective nuclear charge will depend on the number of protons. So that we can write effective nuclear charge is directly proportional to the atomic number. What does it mean? It means the more the atomic number, the effective nuclear charge will be more. Atomic number means number of proton or electron. So in this case, aluminium has atomic number 13 and silicon has atomic number 14. Now what will happen? Silica has 14 electrons. If we draw the diagram, suppose this is aluminium nucleus and this is silicon nucleus. It has 13 protons. It has 14 protons, and here in the shells around electrons are there. Here in the same way. So this is 1n, 2n, this is 3n. Here same 1n, 2n and 3n. The 3n, the electron lies in 3p orbital. It means somewhere around here. Here also on the same distance from the nucleus. So distance is same. So number of protons are more in silicon. It means the effective nuclear charge will be more in case of silicon as compared to the aluminium. So the effective nuclear charge will be more in silicon as its atomic number is 14, which is more than the aluminium. Simple, finish. So friends, very easy question. Concept is very clear. So do like, share, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.